Hey guys, Jesse Hellman-Dollar with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Now we're going to go over a little bit more of an advanced movement, advanced version of the supine straight leg rigs. So we have Andrew here. Last video we showed you where his hands were on the ground, and eventually we had his hands overhead mimicking hanging from a bar. Let's go ahead and put your hands on the kettlebell here, Andrew. He's going to keep his legs straight, but instead, when he flexes at the hip, instead of bringing his feet up and stopping right over his hips, he's going to attempt to get his feet all the way to this kettlebell. So let's go ahead and do about 5 of these. What this is really working and testing is the ability to actively compress his hips. So Andrew's an awesome dude. Thanks for being the demo guy here. He's not quite getting the standard. What we'd like to see is that his feet are hitting here, not over here. This is pretty normal. Andrew, really strong guy, upper body, even a lot of really good strong core strength. He's missing a little bit of that compression strength. It's not the end of the world. He can still get on the bar and start doing some toes to bar, but what happens here is we're taking away his upper body's ability to kind of muscle through some things, and it's calling out his active hip and trunk compression strength, his ability to actively really compress there. This is a great developmental tool for Andrew to kind of maybe supplement outside of his time doing toes to bar. Toes to bar with a straight leg, great movement, but sometimes the stronger individuals like Andrew can really muscle things with their arms, and this is going to call him out and really help develop not only that active compression strength, but also some mobility through his posterior chain.